Hey there you guys, it is me, RandomJosh, and I am back again with another face mask Friday. So fingers crossed if I do this properly. This video, you will notice that this video is at a slightly different time. Basically I'm just super excited to bring it out to you guys. So yeah, today this will be the second video, fingers crossed. And yeah, without further ado, we are going to be doing a lovely little unboxing. I'm just gonna jump straight into this and just kind of talk halfway through it. Whoopsies. Okay. So, just recently, a certain someone has released a new makeup palette, and that is, of course, me, myself, and MMMMitchell. So yeah, the box is designed as well, which is very cute. Oh, it comes with this little book as well, which is about the Beauty Bay presents Me, Myself, and MMMMitchell. We're introducing you to our latest and greatest collaboration yet, and trust us, you're going to want to be a part of it. It's been a labour of love and we're obsessed with the outcome. Say hello to Me, Myself, and MMMMitchell. So yeah, you can see a little bit of the design there. The vibe that they get from it, it's bright, it's bold, it's MMMMitchell. This palette has got it all: brights, neutrals, shimmers, mattes, and mixes. Oh, so there's a lot in there. So this palette, which is here, it was £30. Oh my god, it's so cool. Looks so pretty. So yeah, it's £30. I'd say that's pretty standardish in beauty world. The normal Beauty Bay palettes are like £23–25, so this is a little bit more. I don't know if you get more colours in it, but it's 32 shades. I can't remember how many you get in the normal palettes. I think it's a little bit less, or like around the same. Obviously this is like a huge collaboration, so let's just get it out. Oh, I can't believe we've actually got this. Oh, look at it! It's so pretty. It's like a little book. We've got our little storybook. So if we open it up, oh, it is magnetic, that's good. You can see on this side we have some shades here, and then on this side we also have some shades, and we have the mirror in between. Oops. The mirror in between, which does, I believe, detach. It is all magnetic, so you can totally just take the mirror off and use it as a normal mirror. Oh, it looks so pretty today. And then, you know, just reattach it and back in it goes. Oh my god. This is so pretty. And these shades are actually like really like handy and big. I'm just gonna take the mirror out for the moment. So yeah, these shades look stunning. They're like relatively large. Like, so it looks like you get a fair amount in there. And they're all, of course, names that begin with M. So we've got Manchester, Man-Made, Mental, Muse, MMMad, Meaty, Michelle. Oh my god, that shade looks so cute. That's such like Regina George shade. Minty Shmoney. Yeah, some really cool shade names. Mega. Oh, Some of these shades just look amazing. I'm gonna take, oh, I don't even want to take this off, but I'm gonna have to. We're doing it. We're taking it all off, the seals. So we're all exposed. I get so nervous doing that. But now you can possibly, I'm gonna try and like showcase them a little bit better for you guys. Anywho, I think it's time to do some swatches. So, without further ado, this is the shade Manchester. I'm actually going to take my watch off just so that we have a bit more arm room. Holy sugar. That is like, wow, that is a bright yellow. Now these are pressed pigments, so the colour payoff is going to be a lot more intense. We have this colour Mental. Mental, is it going to be mental? Oh, that is mental. Oh, I love it. And again, these are like the tiniest little swatches that I'm doing. And like they build and you can blend. So pretty. Mad, which is a very bright neon looking red. Oh, I am in love. These are intense. And again, they're just like, you can build on them, you can smoke them out. I want to try this pink color as well. This is called Morning Glory. Oh yes. Oh yeah. So these are just like the mattes at the moment. I might just try a load of those and then we'll go into like the glittery shades as well. So here is Shmoney. Oh, that's a nice green. And again, you can just continually build on those and smoke them out. So gorgeous. And then this shade is Mist. Oh, this literally looks like my bedroom colour. I'm in love. It's like a really pretty blue. Oh, my arm just looks so rainbowified and I'm loving it. Out of curiosity, I want to see what this colour Mardi is. It's like a deep green colour. Oh, that is nice. It looks very dark, but I feel like if you smoked that out, oh yeah, that looks nice when it's smoked out. Oh yes. You can give it a little bit more like power to it. I like that a lot. Oh my god. I think on the other arm, so this arm, we're gonna do some of the glittery colours. So this is the shade, oh my god, that feels so buttery. This is the shade Melted. So this is like a really shiny yellow, and again, just wow, it's bloody amazing. And this is the shade Muffin. Now this looks, I want to say like it's duochromatic. So it's very sheer on the skin, but catch, it's not going to do it for me now. If you catch the correct light, it will go to a like pinky shade. Oh, and typically it's not going to do it on the camera. I'm going to look like such an idiot now. I can actually see it. It's very, very sheer, but that is very nice. And then we have this colour Meaty. which is like a glittery brownish copperish colour. Again, that's really nice. You can use that in a few good looks. I like it. Oh, here we go. It's time for Michelle. Holy crap. Oh, that's giving me everything I need right now. That's so pretty. Oh, I love it. I've got to try this shade as well. Whoops. So this is the shade Mega, and this looks like a blue, but it's got like little purple bits in it as well. Oh yeah, that's good. I like that shade. It's just, they're so pigmented. I mean, obviously they're like pressed pigments, so they're gonna be pigmented, but like, oh my god. I'm in love. Okay, this is the shade Marine, and I think this is gonna be like the shade Muffin, where it's like, I think it's like a white, but then it's got blue flecks in it. Although you can actually see that one a lot better, I feel. You know, you can totally let me know if you agree. You see how it kind of like changes in the light. That's so cool. I'm in love with these shades. Oh my god. And there's this shade as well. I've got to try this. This is called Master. And it is like basically just gold. Oh. It just doesn't get old. It's so pretty. Oh, look at that. Absolutely stunning. So pretty. Right, so overall thoughts on the Me, Myself and MMMMitchell palette. Again, this is a pressed pigment palette, and honestly the shades in here are so nice, so intense, and you have got some like neutral shades as well, which you can mix in with the like crazier looking shades, and I like that. It gives you a bit of versatility with the palette. £30. For some people that may be a little bit like crazy, but honestly I think with something like an eyeshadow palette you're not really gonna get anything better for anything cheaper. So great price for some really good product. I'm loving this, honestly. I don't know if it's still in stock. I was lucky enough to quickly get on it as soon as I saw it, and so I'm probably one of the, well, I wouldn't say one of the first to get it. There's probably like 1,000,001 reviews online at the moment for this particular palette, but I'm still super happy that I managed to get myself one. Honestly, I think this is the first time I've ever like got a palette on release. I never get palettes and things like any beauty products on release, because normally they come out when I have like the least amount of money and I'm like, oh. So being able to actually get this on release is super, makes me super happy. But yeah, definitely give this a little look into. Head over to Beauty Bay, and well, the link will be down below for you guys, so you just literally open the description and you will find the link on where you can get this bad boy if it is still in stock. If not, I'm hoping that it will be back in stock for you guys very soon, because this is so worth it. Oh my god. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a lovely little thumbs up. Make sure you're checking out the MMMMitchell pressed pigment palette, and yes, that is it from Josh today. I will see each and every one of you guys in the next video. Peace out, bitches.